Namaste students, I welcome you all in Anupama classes through YouTube channel. Students, today we will read the reasons for stagnation in agriculture. The second and third reason. I have already discussed the first reason in my last video. So let's start now. The second reason for the stagnation in agriculture from the first chapter, Indian economy on the eve of independence. The reason was commercialization of agriculture. Now student, what do you mean by the commercialization of agriculture? Commercialization of agriculture means production of the crop for sale in the market rather than for the self-subsistence. Right? Rather than for the self-subsistence means production was for the market, not for the sale. Forced to shift. Indian farmers were forced to shift to commercialization of crop like indigo, jute, cotton from the conventional crop, that is rice and wheat. Now, what was the reason for the commercialization of agriculture? The reason was very simple. Actually, the countries like Spain, Britain, France, they needed indigo as a raw material for their textile industry for dyeing and bleaching their textiles. So they started offering high prices to the farmers for the production of indigo. Let me explain you. Initially, suppose this was the land, and in this land they used to produce rice and wheat for the self-subsistence. Now, instead of rice and wheat, they started producing indigo. And now they were not able to produce the food for self-subsistence like rice and wheat. So in that case, they had to purchase their food requirements from the shop in the market. And in this case, they needed money or cash. For the cash, they have to rely or depend upon the money lender or the middleman. Right? So, and due to cultivation of more of indigo and less of rice and wheat, there was a fall in the production of food crops. And famine struck for many times during the British period. Now the third point, that is adverse effect of partition. The country's partition in 1947 also gave stuck to a final blow. How? That is bulk part of the jute production, that is fertile land of the jute during the partition went to East Pakistan and now in Bangladesh. So students, these were again 2 points. One I have already discussed in the earlier video. Together they are 3 points. Points and reason for the stagnation in agriculture. Thank you students.